This is the first thing. And it's the bubble machine. You get this out and you rip it off.
Alright, well let's show the camera in the light because it's a little dark in here. So I have to put it over here. Okay. Now keep going.
Okay, done.
Actually, why don't you stand up right there in front of the box so that I can point it towards the light? Yep, right there.
And this is a card-free washcloth, just in case I want to wash my armpits. And
right, bring it up to the camera a little bit closer.
And this is the barcode.
All right, turn it around. I didn't see the washcloth. What type it is?
It's cars.
Okay. All right, next thing. Next thing.
Tax. Yes, we have tax.
What's that?
Popcorn.
Yeah, let's turn it around and see what type. That looks different. Looks like a different type of popcorn. Turn it around the other way. Okay, it's just regular popcorn. It's just different brand. All right, next thing. Oh, because it says movie theater buttery microwave popcorn. Made by Farmer John.
Who's Farmer John?
I don't know, it's made from Farmer John's. So you got 2 of those. You got it. Oh, next thing is what?
These. Oh, like I got 2 eating things.
Yeah.
And these are Fruit Loops, guys. And these are gonna. He likes loops, so
yeah.
he named Fruit Loops.
Yep, and they're portable.
And they're portable.
Resealable Fruit Loops.
Yeah, cause you can like. You can open it and this is back of it. And he tells you what part you can put milk in it and different kind of stuff. And this thing.
It's good to take on the road.
Yeah. Ooh. Guys, this is my water bottle. It's typed by Spider-Man. And it's got this stupid thing. That's cool.
All right, back up a little bit because I can't see. Okay, go.
And this is the thing. And it's in the girl Spider-Man. That's cool.
Let me see.
And this is the back of. This is the back of it. This is the bottom of it, guys.
Okay.
And this is like
a straw, and it's got a special straw so the straw doesn't come out, guys.
Yeah, and. You gotta see.
Is it glass or plastic?
Hold on. Plastic, I think.
Yeah.
And look at the suction cup, guys. Hold on, I have to take this off.
It's not a suction cup. It's just got a little dip in it.
Yeah. Okay, next.
That's not where that goes. It goes in the garbage, right?
Ooh, these are lights. And these, this is the back of it, and this is the front.
All right, so wait, I can't see.
And break these and do this.
So let me see the other side again. You gotta tell them how many are in there. So what's that number right there?
3.
No, that number right there. What number is that?
So it's 10, guys.
The 10 glow sticks, circle glow sticks, and I think they're for Halloween. Oh, they're bracelets. They're bracelets.
They're for Halloween.
No, these are for these are red, white, and blue actually. So these are probably for the July or Flag Day, like today is Flag Day. And show everybody your shirt because today's Flag Day. And you were singing at school today, right?
Yeah.
For Flag Day? All right. Next thing in the box.
Ooh. This one. Oh!
What's that? Let me see.
Syrup? Maple syrup?
Yep, it is syrup.
Let's take it out.
That's pretty cool. She put it in a plastic bag in case it leaked. And that's really good syrup. Let me see.
And this is the back of it, and this is the bottom of it. You see this, guys? Maybe I pop it off. It see this texture, and I like it, and it's gonna let see.
Oh, like the texture of it, you said?
Yeah.
Oh no, we can't open it right now because it's got a special seal on it, and we're not gonna take it off right now. Okay. So we can show the guys the next time. Okay.
Next thing in the box. Ooh, candies.
Oh, what is that?
And these are like, this is the box. That's the back of it, and this is the front.
Yep.
So
those are Michael's favorite candies. There, what are they? Laffy Taffy.
Laffy Taffy.
Yep, they're saltwater taffy.
And this, okay. Hold on, guys. Another one.
Oh, another popcorn. Well, you like your popcorn, so she knows that.
Ooh, socks.
Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, those are nice socks. We should have had those for today. Those are cool. Show everybody. You gotta hold them up like this. Those would have been good for today for Flag Day, but we can use them for 4th of July. Yeah, I know. I put on those for you today. Those match too, but those are cool.
And this is another one. It's Thomas Superman.
Yeah, what is it? A
I
Superman what?
want to make a popcorn.
All right, we can after the video.
And this guys is
Another one, huh?
it's another washcloth, and I think you're covering it.
No, I'm not.
And guys, and oh, you seen this, guys? You seen this? Look.
Oh yeah, he's trying to show you the names and stuff that we put on the wall. Yeah. We put his sister's name, his mommy's name, his name, and his Mima and his Papa, which is his grandma and grandpa. And then he also put Cheese because he likes Cheese from FGTV. All right, come on, finish the box. This is an unboxing video, Michael.
Yeah, and this is like Superman. You see the change, guys? Okay.
Oh, that's pancake mix. So that's why she gave you the syrup. And it's the complete type of pancake mix, so you don't have to add no eggs or anything. Oh, and he got his favorite ices. He got ices, guys, for summer. How you tell him?
This is my
And you gotta tell them the colors that are on the box.
green,
Okay.
yellow,
No, you don't.
orange,
Yes.
blue, red, orange.
That's like more of a peachy color.
Peach.
It does look like orange though.
Orange, purple. Purple
No.
is this.
Purple is grape, right? And the peachy color is the tropical punch. And the red one, Michael points to the red one. The red one, Michael, is strawberry. And then points to the blue one is berry punch. And the orange one is orange flavor. And then the green one is a lemon lime flavor. Why don't you show everybody where the strawberry is on the box? Find the strawberry on the box for the people. And then find the grapes on the box for them. The grapes. The purple grapes, baby.
I just want to cook this.
You want to cook your popcorn now? Yeah. Alright, so how do you X? Oh, we're not done with the box.
Chocolate cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies, guys. Those are the good ones. Milk chocolate chip cookies.
I think.
Up, and then another thing of what?
Pancake mix.
Buttermilk pancake mix. Alright, guys, so this is his box from his aunt. And his aunt sent
Thanks, Ida.
Ann and Kat.
Ann and Kat.
Yep, and they send him a box every